Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another explainer video. My name is Shweta Mathis and you're watching Himachal Watcher. In today's video, I will be talking to you about thromboembolic symptoms. Listen carefully because it is something that concerns you and you need to be aware of. Now, what exactly does thromboembolic symptoms mean? Thromboembolic symptoms are also known as blood clotting symptoms, which appear in people who are vaccinated for COVID-19. The symptoms occur within 20 days after receiving any COVID-19 vaccine, particularly Covishield. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has issued advisories to healthcare workers and vaccine beneficiaries to encourage people to be aware of suspected thromboembolic symptoms. Any person who is vaccinated for COVID-19 should watch out for these symptoms: breathlessness, pain in chest, pain in limbs or pain on pressing limbs, multiple red spots or bruising of skin in an area beyond the injection site, persistent abdominal pain with or without vomiting, seizures in absence of previous history of seizures, severe and persistent headache with or without vomiting, weakness or paralysis of limbs or any particular side or part of the body, including face, persistent vomiting without any obvious reason, blurred vision or pain in eyes or having double vision, change in mental status or depressed level of consciousness, any other symptom or health condition which is of concern. Now, what do you need to do if you have any of these symptoms? You need to immediately report to the health facility where the vaccine was administered to you. Is it something that you need to be worried about? Well, the government says that the bleeding and clotting events following COVID vaccination are minuscule in India, meaning that it is far more less than the adverse effects reported on people in European cities. All you need to do is not worry and watch out for these symptoms. And if you seem to have any problem, report immediately to vaccination center where the vaccine was administered to you. Even though your chances of developing a blood clot after receiving the vaccine is very low, you should be aware of the symptoms so that you can get prompt medical treatment if necessary. I'm sure by this time your head must be filled with questions like, why do these symptoms appear in people who are vaccinated with Covishield particularly? Or is it safe to take the vaccine or not? Well, if you remember, a few months back, there were cases of blood clottings being reported in European countries in those who were administered Oxford AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine. Now, this is the same vaccine that is being administered in India under the name of Covishield. That is why similar symptoms are being reported in India too. All medicines, even paracetamol or ibuprofen, carry a risk of rare but serious side effects, but we still use them. European Medicines Agency's Safety Committee has stressed that the reported combination of blood clots and low blood platelets is very rare, and the overall benefits of the vaccine in preventing COVID-19 still outweighs the risk of side effects. So all you need to do is be careful and watch out for these symptoms. And if you feel any discomfort within 20 days after receiving COVID vaccine, report immediately. I hope by this time you must have understood the severity and necessity of this issue and you will inform others about it too. Thank you for watching.